Okay, the next step in assembling this engine is going to be installing the flywheel and then checking its run out. Before we install the flywheel, now is a good time to oil the main bearing here, the rear main bearing. Then, before installing the flywheel, there's a concave washer like this, and it goes with the concave side towards the crankshaft like this. Following that, we can install a new rear main oil seal. You can get it positioned and use a driver to seat it. It's kind of hard to do this and tape it. Just take your time and make sure you get it evenly installed. Okay. After the new rear main seal is installed, there's a wave washer that goes behind the flywheel. You'll want to install that. And we'll also want to put some oil on this new seal. Before we install the flywheel. That seal rides on this surface of the flywheel, and you'll want to make sure that that surface is smooth, not ridged, there's no grooves in it, and I've actually polished this one up, so you can put a little bit of assembly lube on that surface as well before you install the flywheel. The flywheel has marks on it for top dead center, idle timing, and full advance timing. These are the factory yellow marks, and they're in good shape. If yours marks are not clear, you can take some paint and put it in those marks. It'll make it easy to time the bike later. But once the flywheel is ready to go, you want to align the slot in the flywheel with the key in the crankshaft and install the flywheel. Just like that. And then once the flywheel is seated on the taper, you'll use the locking washer and the flywheel nut. The locking washer has a tab that fits into this hole, and then you can tighten down the flywheel nut. And once you've got the flywheel nut and washer on there, the next step will be to torque this nut to 175 foot-pounds. We'll do it in increments, and we'll be checking the flywheel run out as we go. So I'll demonstrate that next.